All right, folks. On this episode of Auto Corrected, we are installing the engine mounts. We ordered LS mounts for a 1955 Chevy, and they worked pretty good. We just had to, do some little bit of drilling holes. We also welded up the spots where the frame met the cross member that had rivets in it. We had to knock out the rivets and drill some holes, and then that's where those bolts went through on the bottom side, not the top that you can see in the photos. But I think it turned out pretty good. And we also test fit the I'm gonna say headers, but they're not. They're manifolds. The manifolds off the LS. We test fit them for clearance, and it all looks pretty good. So I hope you enjoy it. Auto-corrected. You don't make mistakes. You make custom modifications.
Alright, you can see some of the work we're doing here in the trunk pan. There was a plate here that you can see was pop riveted here and on this side. So we got to weld up all these holes, put this panel in. We just got to get this little bit of flex out of it and tidy up all them holes, make it look really good and slick, make it look really nice. Yeah, that's right there.